celebrating the rise of Bharat year after year. From leaders who shape nations to voices that shape generations. Rising Bharat brings the world to one stage. This isn't just a summit, it's a movement in motion. As Bharat steps into a defining moment, the conversation gets louder, the stage gets bigger, and the vision gets bolder.
भारत रुकने वाला नहीं है। जल्द ही भारत दुनिया की तीसरी इकोनॉमी बनना तय है।
This year, Rising Bharat returns with one unshakable truth. Because real power isn't borrowed, it's built, it's owned, it lives within us. News 18 Rising Bharat Summit 2026, celebrating the strength within. Coming soon.